Welcome to Maintaining OpenAthens. This video provides you with the information and tools needed to maintain OpenAthens to ensure your users can access your resources. By the end of this video, you will be able to review and identify your user accounts and add a new account, add or remove resources from your OpenAthens catalog, review your current permission sets, generate an OpenAthens link. Your primary method for adding user accounts to OpenAthens is determined during implementation, but let's review the options. OpenAthens can import existing accounts from local systems used for identity management. These are referred to as local accounts. Accounts can also be managed natively in OpenAthens. There are three types of managed accounts. Personal accounts provide credentials for individual users and are not restricted by location. These accounts are not meant to be shared. Access accounts are shared by groups of users and can be restricted by location. These accounts would be used for visiting lecturers, walk-in users, and so on. Administrator accounts provide access to the OpenAthens Administrator dashboard. To review your accounts, click the shortcut on the Admin dashboard. The Personal tab contains personal accounts managed natively in OpenAthens. Access and Administrator accounts are populated to those respective tabs. Local accounts are populated to a separate tab. To add a managed account, go to Accounts, hover over Add, then select the account type. Let's add a personal account in this example. You will need to add a unique username, but we recommend allowing the user to log in with their email address. To do so, enable Login by email address. Set an expiration date or leave the default. We also recommend allowing the user to set their own password by emailing them an activation code. Add the user details. Add any optional details you'd like to include. Then assign the appropriate permission sets. To create managed accounts in batch, go to the Accounts menu. Hover over Bulk Upload to view the options. You can download a template to complete, or select Submit if you are ready to upload. To learn more about this option, review the help documentation by clicking the question icon. Use the search options at the top of the screen to find user accounts. You may need to update your OpenAthens catalog if you add or remove resources in your collection. If this provider or platform doesn't have OpenAthens configured for your account, you will need to do this first. The OpenAthens Help Guide, How to Set Up Access to Your Subscribed Content, provides a detailed overview on how to set up a new resource. Or you can contact your content provider for assistance. When the resource is ready for allocation, go to Resources and click Catalog to view the list of resources. Blue indicates a resource has been allocated. Green indicates the resource is available for allocation. You can use the search box to find the content provider or platform you need to allocate. Click the green button to allocate the resource. Select the appropriate permission set, and click Update Allocation. Need to remove a resource? Go to the Allocated tab. Find the resource and click the blue button to remove the allocation. Click None at the top to remove all assigned allocations. Then click Update Allocations. Now, let's look at permission sets a little more. Permission sets define a set of resources that users can access with their OpenAthens account. Permission sets can also be used for platform-level usage statistics. We'll look at reporting in a later video. Most of these are usually configured during implementation, but sometimes you need to add new ones or update existing ones. Go to Resources and select Permission Sets. Click the permission set name to view the configuration. Configure the description and expiration date on the Settings tab. The Attributes tab is where you set the user's role at your organization. This role will be applied to all user accounts associated with this permission set. You can use the shortcuts on the upper right to view the user accounts associated with this permission set, the resources allocated to it, and add resources. Local accounts can automatically be assigned to a permission set based on an attribute, if that attribute is tracked in your local directory and imported into OpenAthens. For example, A user with the role attribute of alumni in your local directory can be assigned to an alumni permission set automatically. Any changes made will immediately affect all user accounts associated with the permission set. If you are unfamiliar with configuring permission sets, you can review the help documentation by clicking the question icon at the top of the screen. Your OpenAthens links are usually given to you during implementation, but you may need to generate one on occasion. You would then use the Redirector link generator. Go to Resources and select Redirector link generator. You can copy the prefix at the top and add it to your link. You can copy the base URL into the target URL field and click Generate Link to get a new link. Or you can also use the batch option to generate multiple links. Click the question icon at the bottom of the tool to learn more about the link generator. We have some additional resources to aid you in maintaining OpenAthens. Visit openathens.org/community. You can join the listserv and read blogs, news, and find events. Access customer tools in the community menu at the top. Here you will find a link to the status page. Documentation. A list of compatible content providers and logos. You can go to EBSCO Connect to search our help topics or submit a support case if you need assistance. And don't forget to visit EBSCO Academy. Here you can browse our short training videos, complete personalized learning paths and earn micro-credentials, and find instructor-led courses and recordings.